कितने आदमी थे
सरदार?
अरे क्या क्या करूं मैं इसका? क्या करूं इसका? क्या करूं? मार भी नहीं सकता।
You guys have been flooding my DMs. Guys, let me breathe. ऐसे तो नहीं होता है. Oh, don't. It's okay. I like it. It's lovely to be back, guys. It was one entire year, and I had some fun in college. It was fun. It was weird. It was a lot of things at once because it's NIFT, and NIFT is weird. We love it, don't we? For that reason, I have not the Victoria. It's not for you. Sorry, baby guys. But this bag has the secrets of the universe. And you're gonna love it.
भाई मजा आया, और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना।
So, इस बैग के अंदर I have some chits. Don't worry, तुम्हारे एग्जाम के लिए नहीं है ये सब. I'm gonna use these chits. I'm gonna pick them up, and these have some questions asked by lovely freshers. And I'm gonna pick them one by one. I'm gonna answer your questions, and if you have any more questions, don't comment down below. Or do. Actually do. Please do. Please do. मैं तरक्की हूँ यार तुम लोग के लिए, तुम लोग समझते नहीं हो.
झूठ बोल रहा है. No, I'm telling you.
So going to the first question, I will be just I'll just read it loud for you guys because my handwriting is not legible. Who writes like that? Really? Okay, whatever. The first question is, how can I be the topper in class? तुमने निफ्ट में पैर भी नहीं दिया और तुम्हारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैं यहाँ पे मैं टॉपर कैसे बनूं? Really, bro? You can be topper very easily. No, actually you can't. Guys, this is not competition.
वाह क्या सीन है.
Yeah, to be a topper, you have to be extraordinary. और इस जंग में जीतने के लिए कुछ तो खोना ही पड़ता है. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. If you wanna score good in your Sem 1 and Sem 2, you have to put in extra effort, like hard work. Like for at least a week before the juries, if you lose all sleep. It's gonna be total fine. You're not gonna die.
तू क्या बोल रही है? चुप! चुप हो जा सातवीं फेल. चुप! एक शब्द नहीं.
So yeah, NIFT people have done that. They have gone the hard route. They have risked dying because of no sleep and no food. So as first just to do that, and that is from the first very day of college. वो ना हमारे पहले वीक में ही हमें इतना असाइनमेंट्स दिया गया था ना. Thought when I first came to college, I was like, hey, निफ्ट है, सब कुछ easy ही होगा, आराम से जाएंगे. आराम. What is that? निफ्ट में आराम मिलता ही नहीं है. निफ्ट में टाइम मिलता ही नहीं है. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज सो क्रूशियल, एंड इफ यू वांट टू बी द टॉपर, यू हैव टू टाइम मैनेज सो वेल.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा. चिल्ला रहे. बात में जाना नहीं.
So just be a good team captain, be a good team leader, just do a lot of hard work, pull all-nighters. That's what I did.
उनका सुख है मेरा सुख है, उनका दुख है मेरा दुख है.
Next question. open it and read that? Because the world wants to know. This is such a common question. What is the hostel life? Give details. Okay. So पहले साल में फर्स्ट ईयर में hostelers have this benefit. They have like अच्छा खाना तो नहीं होता, I mean खाना होता है, और like you get a good place to live. और hostel के सामने you have GD Market, and GD Market has everything you need, literally everything you need in the first year. Seriously, you don't need to go far and wide for anything. For stationeries, for sketchbooks, anything you need, you will get in GD Market. It's expensive, by the way. It's expensive. First year is expensive, guys. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Save up. Where I lived was in the 3rd floor, and I have such disturbing memories from my hostel life. Gossip. You'll get loads of gossip in the hostel. If you want to gossip, be in the hostel. Hostelers know all the gossip and they're gonna give you all the gossip. Also, if you want to stay with your friends and have sleepovers, all-nighters together, the hostel is for you guys. It's fun. I know it's a lot of fun, but at the same time they have a curfew of 8:30 p.m. So that's kind of a downer. So if that's a problem with you, that's a problem with you. और सेकेंड ईयर में हम लोग को कॉमनली हॉस्टल से धक्का मार कर निकाल देते हैं. मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? So in the second year, most of you, I guess, have to look for flats, and it's not that hard really. You will get flats if you look hard and early enough. Don't wait till all the end. Just start searching for flats towards the end of Sem 2. Yeah, just a huge advice from my side. Okay, so do I bring stationeries from home, or can we buy them there? Whatever you have in your home, bring them.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Be it sketchbooks, acrylics, watercolor, whatever. If you have something, bring it. If you have like those sparkly, don't bring sparkly stuff. If you are in my group, okay, if you are in group 3, then you're gonna get Anamika ma'am for foundation program. You're gonna get her fashion studies, and she likes her learning diary very, very nicely done. Oh, by the way, what are learning diaries, by the way? Do you know what a learning diary is? They're basically your average notebooks, not notebooks. They're basically your average note-taking books, but they are fashion students, so we have to make them very chin-jack. Yeah, they have to be creative. If you don't make them creative, they're gonna guillotine you, they're gonna kill you. Yeah, they're gonna take you to the scapegoat and they're gonna just cut your head off. And whatever, scrapbook items, colored paper, a lot of colored paper. Just keep them with you all the time. Colored papers, a lot of them. Cardboards, thermocol balls, anything you have, feathers, anything. In the first year, you also have a subject called yarn. It's a part of material studies. You have yarn to do, like yarn stuff. So if you like to do that, you will love this subject. I didn't like this subject. Oh, I had to make a dress with yarn. Making a dress with yarn.
मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है. एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है.
What is the foundation program? Many people have asked me this. Look, I'm not scary, you know? Surely am. But the foundation program is a lot. It's a lot because you also study things you're not interested in. So it's like a lot. It was like a lot for me. But I learned a lot of things that I didn't know about. I had no idea how to sew, how to handle yarn, cloth, or anything of that matter. I had no idea about basic fashion. I had no idea. But thanks for the foundation program, now I know. Next, we have the long chain of the handbag. This is an actual comment I got on one of my videos. Are they gonna make me dance on the stage on Orientation Day? No, sweetheart, they're not gonna force you. Don't worry. She was like, if you're watching right now, I'm gonna just tell you that no, bro. If you wanna dance though, that's great. You have to go for an audition. By the way, to go for an audition and they're gonna choose you. They're not gonna force you. No one is forcing anybody. If you want to dance, dance. I will say dance. You can also do group dances together. You don't have to dance alone on stage. It's just the orientation program is just for you to open up. That's all. Nothing. No one is forcing anybody.
क्या बात है सर क्या बात है सर क्या बात ये बात है
Next. Dun dun dun. Are there any clubs in college? There are many. If you want to get into one, it's great. We have a great time in there. So we have the cultural club, we have literary club, we have the sports club, and then we have the social club. So these clubs form a unit which is NEFT, and we have everything for everybody. So if you want to get into any one of these clubs, you have to send for the elections at the start of sem 2. You have to do a speech in front of the class. Very impromptu, it's fun. Don't worry about it. 2 stairs left. And I'm just gonna akkar bakkar pambedu. Boom. Boom. Akkar bakkar pambedu. Asina. This one. Okay, what are the subjects in the first year? We have Sem 1, we have Sem 2. I like Sem 2 much better than Sem 1. There are reasons, and I will disclose in the next video. Until then, tune in. Just kidding. Okay, so in the Sem 1, we had fashion basics, where we are taught the basis of fashion. It's kind of hard, but you're gonna love it. And then we had material study, which is basically yarn, recycle, and then we had paper. In recycle, I still have fond memories of getting into trash to try and recycle it. I went to trash, so I am trash. I am basically trash. Then we had geometry number 1, which was 2D geometry, and then we had DDC, which is digital design and communication, which is basically graphic design. We were taught Photoshop in Sem 1 and Illustrator in Sem 2. If you don't have them, don't worry. We have many sites and many ways to get what we want in any way. So if you want to get Photoshop or Illustrator, just DM me.
भाई ने बोला करने का तो करने का.
So in Sem 2, we had design fundamentals, we had art, design and aesthetics, we had DDC2, which was basically, as I told you, Illustrator, then Geometry 3D, which was very interesting. And Geometry 3D basically had 2 teachers. Okay, chill. And then we had gymnastic. What goes on during the orientation? What goes on? I don't know. Why are you asking me?
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
You could just go and watch my first video in here, which was the orientation. No, my first video was mini, but anyway, I have a video on that. The orientation. We have a 3-day orientation, okay? And on the 3rd day of orientation, we have a talent show, as I told you earlier, and you have to give auditions for that. So you can sing, you can dance, you can do anything in that. It's chill, it's totally chill.
क्या बात ये बात है.
So yeah, I'm very excited for you guys to come and meet me, and we'll have a little meetup and chat.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
उनका सुख है मेरा सुख है, उनका दुख है मेरा दुख है.
Are you excited? Because I'm excited for you guys. So what are you waiting for? Click on comment, click on like, click on subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.